rocking, family? Today you rocking with Ruse, and of course I am rocking with y'all as always. Today we got something different going on. So I know a nigga been gone, so I'm really finna try to do a couple of extra shits for y'all. I'm really trying to get like some bangers in, my nigga. Like consistency, keyword, I guess. But Lil Ratchet been going off lately, bro, and
you wanna put a little application in? You got your resume and everything? Alright, bro. Yeah, just hit
shout out to Berlin. Berlin put me on. Oh, I mean,
I have a challenge for all of you. Go to every computer.
this is not a sponsored video. I must say that right now. I'm gonna say this while this ad is going because I don't got money to pay y'all.
What's honey? Oh,
Don't sue me.
It's a free browser add-on that
Y'all said skip the ad? Alright.
So what's the catch? There is no catch.
My fault, bro. I be in tune with y'all. I be trying to get down and if it ain't whatever. Y'all get one of these today. It's gonna be blurred out in the video. But y'all, you know what it is. Anyway, that one was a little more funnier than the first one, but shit, we gonna pick from here. This next one, I got drafted to World War III. We're gonna see what this hitting on.
I'm ready. I'm ready. This is what I signed up for. This is what we signed up for. Come on, come on. Come on. Slow down a little bit.
Hey, bro. Ratchet. Lil Ratchet. Lil, whatever. You be putting your real guns in these videos, bro? Cause yeah, that's one of them real ones, bro. I don't know what you trying to do, but
My horse slow down. Hold on. Go without me, bro. Go ahead. Go without me. Where's the shot coming from? Where they coming from? Here, go check.
I didn't say go check.
If I die this one, just tell them I went out on some like Al Pacino type shit. Oh shit. Bro, I don't even know how they catch me. How did they see me?
how he get a real bullet shot? Like, that was a good effect.
I'm thinking the rest of our niggas,
That shit look real,
bro. We could probably just stay here and just really just like surf shit out from back here. See, Lieutenant and them, they down there, they handling shit.
Lieutenant and them.
They down there busting shit. We don't even need to get active for real.
Hey, where do anybody know where he from? Like, my girl be watching the Demona. Yeah, y'all know Demona, whatever. But anyway, guys, my wife watches Demona, and he sound like he from where Demona from. Let me know.
We just stay back, bro. Man, you probably put your strap away, bro. Oh shit, bro. I'm military. We popping. I ain't really got getting on. Look, like you see what I mean? Like, look, that way, like Lieutenant, they look handle shit, bro. I don't see no point in me. I'm probably not even gonna bust around. I told you before we even got in this shit, I told you I had high blood pressure. I'm trying to wait for my shit to ease up.
Ease up.
Yeah, I gotta let it ease up.
Gotta let it ease up.
The noise is shit, bro.
Why that nigga bouncing like that? Like that nigga really got his act.
That motherfucker was close.
That motherfucker was close. Hell yeah.
We have to call them. Call Lieutenant and return the base. I'm hungry, man. Ain't no sense in everybody going and firing at them niggas if they already expecting us. You know what I mean? Them niggas already waiting on us. They waiting to ambush us. Light us up. Ain't no reason to go out there sister with them niggas. No way.
Look at an AR.
You go
Auto rifle.
I think one of them niggas. I know your aim a little bit better than mine. Plus your heart probably a little slow. My shit fast as fuck right now.
My shit fast
You
as
go
fuck
down there.
right now.
Probably gonna be a nigga. 3 o'clock, bro. Shooting and let me know. Let me know if it's cool to come out. Bro.
Let me know if it's cool to come out. Anyway. Alright, y'all. Y'all got 3 about me today, bro. What y'all want me to do? What more y'all want me to do? What more do you want from me? I can't give y'all niggas nothing else. Just be satisfied. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. You know what I'm saying? As always, thank you for rocking with Ruse. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Rockin' with Ruse. And thank you for fucking with Ruse, rocking with Ruse today on these videos. But this video for me, you get, alright, whatever. Y'all ain't on that. Rock with your boy. More content dropping soon. Sorry for being gone so long, but I'm back. Everything is everything. Thank you for rocking with me. Appreciate you for rocking with your boy, as always. You know what I'm saying? Catch me on the next one. You already know how it is. Yeah.